The S462 clamp-on ultrasonic flow meter from Suto iTech makes flow and consumption measurement of liquids very simple and easy. The benefits of this flow meter are: clamp-on type, very easy installation, no moving parts, can be installed on stainless steel pipe, carbon steel pipe, copper pipe, or plastic pipe, can measure cooling and heating water, all sorts of water and various other liquids. Available pipe sizes: DN20, DN25, DN32, DN40. S462 comes with Modbus RTU interface and 4 to 20 mA output, which makes it easily connectable to any facility monitoring system. The measuring ranges in the various pipe sizes are shown in this table. After selecting the point of installation, first ensure that the pipe surface is clean. Place the coupling pads onto the sensor surface. Remove the back brackets for installation. They are loosely snapped on. Place the main unit onto the pipe. It is recommended to not use the top position as air bubbles may affect the measurement. Snap on the backside brackets and tighten up the screw with a screwdriver. Now connect the power and signal cable through the M12 connector. After powering up, the main screen shows the following information: SQ, which stands for signal quality. It is an indication of the installation quality and should be above 70. The actual time, the total consumption, the flow rate measured in the selected unit. But before we can measure, we need to make some settings through the keyboard. Select Pipe Parameter in the Setup menu and enter the following important information: outer diameter of the pipe, wall thickness of the pipe, material of the pipe. In the menu system setting, the physical unit can be changed. There are some more settings possible, which can be found in the instruction manual. With these simple steps, the flow measurement is set up and ready for measurements. Suto iTech. Be smart. Measure it.